Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by verifying the essentials so syncing can proceed cleanly. First, check macOS and the OneDrive app for updates and install them. Outdated clients cause conflicts. Once done, sign in to the exact Microsoft account that owns the files. Work and personal are separate. Also make sure your network is stable. If Wi-Fi is flaky, switch to a wired or 5 GHz connection. These steps eliminate most simple causes and let you move to deeper fixes. Next, you'll inspect current sync behavior and perform controlled resets. Pause syncing and then resume while watching for specific error messages. Those messages point to corrupted files or path length problems. Make sure the OneDrive folder and contained files have correct permissions. Right-click the folder, get info, adjust sharing and permissions. If issues persist, use OneDrive's reset command to rebuild the local database. This reindexes content without deleting files. After resetting, selectively re-enable folders to limit load and observe results. To finish, confirm everything synced and correct lingering problems. Look at file status icons in Finder. To force upload, open a file and save as into the OneDrive folder. If corruption or persistent errors remain, uninstall and reinstall OneDrive, but first export or backup any unsynced local files to an external drive. Make sure OneDrive has full disk access and files and folders permissions in Mac OS system settings. Without them, the client can't read or upload data. If problems continue, that permission is the most common overlooked cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.